So in Microsoft Edge, there are a lot of background processes that are going around constantly. And if you want to access them and see what the background processes are there and even control it, then what you can do is you can go around onto the three dot button and then you can go around onto more tools. So once you go around onto more tools right here, then you can see that Browser Task Manager is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So there's pre-renderer, there's extensions, as you can see over here as well. And you can see the details over here. So let's say you want to disable out these extensions right here. Then what you can do is you can end the process right here and the process has been ended. Similarly, there's the tab, you can end it out right here and you can see that it ends it out. So if something is not behaving right, or if Microsoft Edge freezes and you may think that some of the tasks are actually affecting it, then you can access the task manager in the browser just like this and end the process over here. So that is how you can access the task manager and then control it to end the process inside of Microsoft Edge. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.